JAMB result. If you have written your JAMB, here is a simple way to check your JAMB result now. And the best thing is that you can even check it without the use of a smartphone, without the use of internet, just with your normal phone, button phone. You can use SMS sending to get your JAMB results sent to you. So I've said that within 24 to 72 hours, you'll be able to get your JAMB result. In order to do that, this is the step. Just get your small phone, that's your button phone, without data. You don't need data for this. Simply go to your message button. Once you are in your message button, just try to create a message. Create a message, type result. You can see it here. Type result in capital letters, followed by your JAMB registration number. So you just type your result and just type result, RESULT, follow in capital letters, so followed by your JAMB reg number. Once you do that, remember, as you are watching this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you don't get anything, if you want help on your screening exam, you want past questions, all these things, just subscribe and send me a message under this post, under this video. Say, I have subscribed. I will tell you how you can get other materials and all the help that you want us to give to you. So when you type your results, type your JAMB reg number, you will now send it as a message, just like you normally send a text message. Send it to this number, 55019, or you can also send it to another number, 66019. So when you type result and your reg number, you can send it as a text message to 55019, or send it as a text message to 66019. Immediately you send it, JAMB will send you your JAMB result, your UTME scores. But remember, you must have up to 15 naira in your account. They will charge you 15 naira SMS charge. This is the simple way to check your JAMB result. I wish you success. Subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Come under the post, the video, and tell me, I have subscribed. And tell me the materials you need me to send to you, either past questions, anything, the link to check your WAEC JAMB result and all the rest. And we will send it to you immediately.